lava path behind the volcano. In the middle of the ocean. Volcano. In the middle of the sea. Volcano. Sleep tight. Underneath the giant and jungly ceiling, shadows fall on every side, climbing up the face of a grizzly mountain. Steamy clouds try to hide volcano. In the middle of the ocean. Volcano. In the middle of the sea. Volcano. Tonight. What makes me move like this? I want to know. I think you make me move like this. Could that be so? You say I make you move like this. Could that be true? Because what got me started moving was you. Volcano, making bubbles in the ocean. Volcano, making bubbles in the sea. Volcano, come alive. Oh, I'm trying to find out who I am, why I make you explode. I want to get the combination to this episode. What makes me move like this? I want to know, cause I hear massive tectonics rattling your plates away. No idea who I am, I need a reason to obey. Finally, you open your mouth and this is what you say. You're lava. With you I discover. Cause you're all over the mountain, baby.